Alright, YouTube! It's fucking tool review time, goddammit. Let's go into the goddamn intro. We didn't ask you, Mike. Now you want to do my intro now because you didn't like messing me up and shit now. Alright, goddammit, YouTube, smash the like button, make sure you guys subscribe and all that good shit. Alright, so yesterday I went to Home Depot, I bought a couple things, a couple shits I had needed. I'm not going to show you another tool I bought because I wanted to do a review on it. But, what else did I buy? I got me an oil filter wrench thingy. Let's put this in here. The little thing that you clamp on the jaw joint. It's a Husky joint. I know y'all got your own brands or whatever and shit, and that's not part of the video. But it's the jaw joint. So I had got that. I got a 3/8 to 1/4 inch drive adapter joint. Because I like to use the 1/4 inches on my 3/8 gun with the adapter. And I'm gonna worry about this tool I said in another video. But I had bought something cool. I was like, cause I'm tired of like grabbing shit, like shit that be falling down in the engine, like little bolts and you know, like washers and nuts and shit like that, and the engine be all hot and it be too far, it be in certain spots where you be scratching up your arm and shit. So I had bought a grabber, whatever you call it. It's called a mechanical pickup joint. Now the difference with this, now I know everybody got their own, oh I got one, I got this, but do you got one that got a fucking LED light like this? You see that? This thing got LED light, like literally. I could pick up Baby Bop. We all know who Baby Bop and Dookie Face. I can pick up Baby Bop food with this, and I'm pretty sure when she don't want to leave her chair or you know how they be sitting in them chairs or whatever with the two mugs, and then it says S on the mug and it says T on the mug, and she dropped something, food crumb, and her fat ass don't want to reach over to get it up. She just grab one of these. Reach down like this, and then fucking grab it, and she got light, so it might work out for her. Anybody want to know the item number for this? I'm not sure exactly. I think is that. You see, I'll leave an exact info and all of that in the description. But let me fucking rip this apart because I want to actually fucking try this shit. That cheap ass fucking grabber,
Mike. Oh, this LED commercial here.
You goddamn right. I gotta rip this apart. I don't know how to.
Get the fuck out of here, jump man.
Alright, let me. He got that. He brought over that cheap ass fucking.
Oh, I brought the cheap ass.
Come over here and show him. Come over here and show him your cheap ass grabber. Alright, so I done dropped it and shit. But
straight from Home Depot. This goes in the toilet drain to get the toilet paper out.
This shit all fucked up at the end of it. But this is official. Because I got the LED light on this joint. So when I'm reaching down and I can't find what I'm finding, but I can feel it, I can hear it, but I can't see it. I can see it now, you feel me? So let me give y'all an example of how this works. I got a couple coins. No, I don't have a couple coins. Actually, I got a couple things right here. So we're going to pretend this quarter and this dime is a nut or whatever. And I dropped it in the engine. Or we're going to pretend that this is Baby Bop's food. And she dropped it on the ground. And she took her grabber. As soon as you hit this trigger, like you don't have to press it all the way, the light comes on. So, let's go. Let's do the demonstration. This is how Baby Bop grabs her food, or she would, just like this. And it picked up a dime. And if she dropped her chicken, she could definitely pick her chicken up like this. You know what I mean? And got her chicken and she could just finish eating, because that's what big people do and shit. So, that's all I want to talk about. I know you guys got. Oh, let's do a comparison real quick. Because I got a cheesy joint from Harbor Freights a while back. I don't know where this shit is. Let me. See this? See? These are about the same size too. Like damn near the same size. This one is real crappy. I can say that this one do got like a magnet on it. But if we can see the difference between the two, I hope the camera don't go out of focus. But we can see when this one grabs. You see how the teeth. This is from Harbor Freights too. You see how the teeth is all like bent up and just not, it ain't right. So let's see the teeth. It's not like it even bent. They just ain't designed it right. But let's see the teeth on this. This thing fully opens and fully closes. This joint don't really grab some shit. You feel me? So That's all I wanted to talk about. I probably just end up trashing this or keeping this for something. But this joint is, the batteries are adjustable if you want to know. I mean, changeable if you want to know. All you got to do is, don't twist this part, but twist this off. And if you can look inside of here, I just pulled the thing out of the sleeve. But the battery rest is in here. I'll probably leave what type of batteries it requires, because it does say it on the back of the paper thing that I just tore off. So let's screw this thing back on. But like I said, Home Depot, I paid a little bit over $8 for this. I think this is a good $8 investment, considering that all the shit that you be dropping down in the engine bay, you never go down and get it because you can't reach it. But we can reach it now. So I'm Leekautorepair. Review this tool. This thing is going in a box. And looking forward to using it. Probably use it tomorrow or something like that. But that's all I got to talk about. You feel me? Hit that like button.